This Filipino grammar lesson is about the Tagalog word naman. Naman. Naman on its own is untranslatable because it has no precise corresponding meaning in English. In order to understand how naman is used in forming Filipino phrases or sentences, we have to pair it off with other Tagalog words. If naman is used with an adjective, you're adding more emphasis to that descriptive word. So naman translates to very, so, or really. Just remember this word order. Ang plus adjective root plus naman. Ang adjective root naman. For example, ang lamig naman. Lamig is the root word of the adjective malamig, meaning cold. Ang lamig naman. Without naman, the phrase ang lamig means it's cold, but with naman, you stress the degree of coldness. It's so cold, or it's very cold. Ang lamig naman. Got it? Next example, ang hirap naman. Hirap is the root word of the adjective mahirap, meaning difficult. When you say ang hirap, you're simply stating that it's difficult, but if you place naman after ang hirap, you're making it sound like it's really difficult. Ang hirap naman? Ang hirap naman? It's very difficult. Another use of naman with an adjective is to express amazement. For example, wow, ang ganda naman. Ganda is the root word of maganda, meaning nice or beautiful. When you say ang ganda, you're simply stating that something is beautiful. But when you say ang ganda naman, you're like round-eyed with amazement. Wow, how beautiful, or wow, it's so nice. Ang ganda naman. Next, ang layo naman, meaning it's so far. Ang layo naman. So in your opinion, it's not just far, it's really far. Ang layo naman. If you place the word na before naman, the meaning becomes again. This phrase is used after a situation or a condition. Na naman. Na naman. Again. For example, nagugutom na naman ako. Nagugutom means feeling hungry and ako is I or me. If you'll just say nagugutom ako, you're telling me that you haven't eaten anything yet and your stomach is empty. But if you will tell me nagugutom na naman ako, it means that you've already eaten something a while ago, but you're feeling the need to eat again. Nagugutom na naman ako. I'm feeling hungry again. Umuulan na naman. Umuulan is raining. Umuulan na naman. It means it rained recently and now it's raining again. Umuulan na naman. Another example is, nagagalit ka na naman. Nagagalit means angry. Nagagalit ka na naman. It's like saying you were mad at something or at someone not too long ago, and here you are again feeling angry. Nagagalit ka na naman. You're angry again. Naman is also used in making casual requests, so it translates to the word please. The common word order for this is adverb plus pronoun plus naman plus the receiver of the action. For example, tulungan mo naman ako. Tulungan mo naman ako, meaning please help me. If you omit the word naman and just say tulungan mo ako, you will sound like you're demanding the other person to help you. But if you say, tulungan mo naman ako, you're setting a soft tone to this sentence and you will sound like you're nicely asking for help. Tulungan mo naman ako. Please help me. Next example. Turuan mo naman si Fahad. Here you sound like asking the other person a small favor. Turuan mo naman si Fahad. Meaning, please teach Fahad. The word naman is also used to show contrast between two statements or actions, so it means on the other hand. Just remember this word order as a guide. Statement 1 versus Statement 2 plus naman. Example, naglilinis ako. Nagkakalat ka naman. Our Statement 1 here is naglilinis ako, meaning I'm cleaning. And our Statement 2 is nagkakalat ka, meaning you're making a mess. So these two are contradictory actions. In English, naglilinis ako, nagkakalat ka naman translates to I'm cleaning, on the other hand, you're making a mess. So naman is the Tagalog equivalent of the English idiom on the other hand. Second example, mahilig ang kaibigan ko sa rock music. Ako naman, gusto ko lahat ng klase. The word order in this statement is different because we placed naman between the two statements. Statement 1 is mahilig ang kaibigan ko sa rock music, meaning my friend likes rock music. Ako naman, meaning I on the other hand. Our statement 2 is gusto ko lahat ng klase, meaning I like all kinds. Mahilig ang kaibigan ko sa rock music. Ako naman, gusto ko lahat ng klase. My friend likes rock music. I, on the other hand, like all kinds. Naman is also used to express someone's turn to do a certain task or action, like it's your turn, my turn, his turn, etc. The word order in this kind of sentence usually shows naman in the middle of two statements. Halimbawa, ako ang nagluto kahapon, meaning I cooked yesterday. Ikaw naman ngayon. Now, it's your turn. Ako ang nagluto kahapon. Ikaw naman ngayon. I cooked yesterday. Now, it's your turn. Next, magsalita ka sa English, meaning you talk in English. At ako naman, and I in turn, ang magta-translate, meaning will translate. Magsalita ka sa English at ako naman ang magta-translate. You talk in English and I will translate. In certain contexts, naman is used to convey a mild reproach, so you can add naman to your sentence to express disappointment, disapproval, or complaint. The word order that you see is just a guide. Just remember that naman is usually placed at the end of a phrase or a sentence, and it can also appear in the middle, but you should never start your phrase or sentence with naman. Example, bilisan mo naman. Bilisan is to hurry. If you simply want to ask someone to hurry, bilisan mo is the right phrase to use. But if you're getting impatient and you don't want to wait anymore, you should say, bilisan mo naman. Naman adds an annoyed tone of voice or a nuance of a mild complaint to your sentence. Bilisan mo naman. Hurry up. Next, bakit mo naman nasabi yon? Bakit mo naman nasabi yon? This question implies that in your mind, you somewhat disagree with what the other person said, so you're pressing for a reason or justification. Bakit mo naman nasabi yon? Why did you say that? Or what made you say that? Another example, huwag ka namang ganyan. Huwag ka namang ganyan. This sentence is open to different interpretations where the essence is your disapproval of someone's attitude or action. So it could mean, don't be like that, or don't behave that way, or don't act like that. Huwag ka namang ganyan. Here are other naman expressions that you may memorize. Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman. Meaning, it's your turn. Ako naman. Ako naman. It's my turn. Oo naman. Oo naman. Yes, of course. Hindi naman. Hindi naman. No, not really. Ano naman? Ano naman? So what? Ang arte mo naman? Ang arte mo naman? You're so fussy. Bakit naman? Bakit naman? Why is that or why so? Sayang naman. Sayang naman. What a pity or what a waste. Ano ka ba naman? Ano ka ba naman? Meaning, what the heck is wrong with you? Next, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? How are you? Mabuti naman. Mabuti naman. I'm fine or I'm doing well so far. Ang galing mo naman. Ang galing mo naman. You're amazing or you're doing an excellent job. Well, that's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Talk to Me in Tagalog for more easy to follow Filipino grammar lessons. Maraming salamat po.